Hello, I'm Rachel from Douentza Garden in Ireland, and today I want to tell you about some great low maintenance plants for outdoor pots. All require full sun. Many low growing grasses make excellent candidates for a pot. The annual squirrel grass, Hordeum jubatum, or the Mexican feather grass, Stipa tenuissima, are my favourites. You can pot grasses on their own or together with other plants that have similar cultural needs, like the Aeonium here, which looks super softened by grasses. Choose a grass for your zone, but bear in mind that all potted plants are less hardy than ones grown in the ground, so you'll need to protect your pot in winter. Choose a pot with good drainage holes and mix a little horticultural sand or grit in with your soil. Your grasses will need regular watering, but a lot less than flowering plants require. If you intend to grow your grass in a pot longer term, divide and replace the soil every 2 years. Succulents like agaves or aeoniums make excellent low maintenance pot plants. Bear in mind though that they nearly always require winter protection. For best results, grow succulents in a clay pot using a cactus mix. They'll look superb as specimen plants or can even be placed in their pot in a flower bed. Succulents don't need much watering, but in summers of high rainfall, you'll need to bring them under cover. Finally, for the adventurous among you, consider insectivores or Sarracenia for your pot displays. North American pitcher plants provide interest from spring with their unusual flowers right through to late autumn when their handsome pitchers finally fade. Although low maintenance once established, you'll need to set these plants up correctly to start with, which is a bit fiddly, but it's something you only need to do once. Use a large, preferably plastic container with holes at the base. Pot your plants in the container in a mix of 50% peat and 50% horticultural sand or perlite. Place your pot in a plastic saucer of rainwater and leave in a full sun position where it'll receive rain. Ensure the saucer always holds water because these bog plants should never dry out. Plants will need to be cut to the base in February to allow new growth to flourish, just like regular perennial plants. Most Sarracenia should be hardy from zone 9 upwards, but if in doubt, offer winter protection. I hope you'll enjoy trying some of my suggestions, and happy growing!